Welcome back to the channel. This is an official video of the waterfall trail being open from the north end going south. It looks like they blocked off there, so we kind of come off to the side.
Hey, we can finally ride this legally!
Yes, it's open! Yay! Thank you to all the groups for getting this open and working with the BLM. Oh, I don't think I've ever done it when it was wet down here, not like this. So, ain't doing no speed runs today. Perfect. Yeah. Just roll right off it. Vanessa did it.
I know, I've seen her do it before. I've never been able to do it.
Oh. You got it. Want a little pull? Because you're stuck. There we go. You got it. Whoa! Oh! Wow! Stay balanced. You're gonna have to just roll. You got it. It's almost there. You got it. See? Now you know. It just goes.
Well, I do that on my bike, but it's different on this bike.
We all do. Awesome. Oh, they cut out the tree that's been here forever. Ah. At least they left this one. Yeah, I thought they'd cut this one. Been here forever to ride under. I think people think this was supposed to be like really easy. And it's like, it was never a real easy trail. Just easier than some of the others out here. Especially going down. What the fuck? Why are they? That's stupid. DR350S chugging along, coming on through like a freight train. Nice. Nice. You got it. The easiest is to roll off the top one and straight down versus turning. That one's actually hard. It's actually easier to go straight where his track is on top of that rock, and it will just go down. Believe in yourself. You got it. Yeah!
Over that thing with my bike running. Whatever.
I bet mine would have fallen.
Oh no, I turned mine off.
A little muddy down in here, this valley, some spots. Yeah. He's dropping. I'm not with it so slick. Somebody's up in there.
Yeah, that is definitely an easier route.
Yeah, there's that little step on this now.
Yeah, getting out or getting up this one, going this way.
Oh, I know. That's why I stopped doing it a long time. I ended up in the cactus in that bush in a video.
Watch her, she's going down. She's got one little hill climb here.
Yep, and then it goes, yeah. Whoa! Woohoo! Yep. Here. So they made that left split come way out here, which I guess makes sense because it was unsustainable down the steep hill. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed Waterfall Trail. Yeah, we're taking it a little slow, but it's muddy out. And it's our first time on it, so kind of got to memorize where things are because I remember the old way. So there was a lot little differences, little nuances. But yeah, pretty good trail. I think the team that did this trail did a pretty good job, so can't really complain. And yeah, thank you guys that worked on this one. Have a good one. Stay well, stay safe, and get out there and ride, my friends. Bye.